How to fix ATT App Error Code 902. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix ATT App Error Code 902. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection and that your internet connection is speed enough for the internet to work properly. If not, you can also run a speed test and see if you meet the speed requirement or not. And if your issue is still not fixed, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for ATT. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on a device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the ATT application and tap on it. Now, tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. Once reinstalled, open the app and see if your issue is fixed or not. And if not, then try to restart your device, as restarting the device fixes majority of minor issues on your device. So, this is how you can fix ATT App Error Code 902. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.